The scrawny outcast, Hiccup's unconventional beginnings. On the harsh island of Berk, dragons attack without warning, and Vikings are raised to fight them. Strength, size, and fearlessness define respect. Hiccup Horrendous Haddock III has none of those qualities. He's small, clumsy, and misunderstood, constantly failing to meet his father's expectations. His inventions don't impress, his combat skills fall short, and he's labeled a disappointment. Yet beneath those flaws lie quiet strengths, his empathy, sharp observation, and deep discomfort with violence, traits that will soon change everything. The turning point, a forbidden friendship. Hiccup's world shifts when he downs a mysterious night fury, only to spare its life. That choice leads him to Toothless. Instead of killing the dragon, Hiccup studies him, learns his behavior, and earns his trust. Through this bond, Hiccup discovers a hidden truth: dragons aren't evil by nature. They're intelligent, emotional, and reacting to fear. By learning from Toothless, Hiccup develops new flight techniques and training methods that completely challenge Viking tradition. Redefining leadership, beyond brawn and battle. In the dragon arena, Hiccup refuses to fight, saving Astrid and exposing a better path forward. When the Red Death threatens Berk, Hiccup's creativity and partnership with Toothless unite Vikings and dragons against a common enemy. The boy once mocked becomes a hero, respected not for brute force, but for wisdom and courage. The burden of leadership, a chief's vision. As chief, Hiccup faces difficult choices, protecting peace, confronting threats like Drago and Grimmel, and putting others before himself. His leadership creates an era of dragon riders, exploration, and coexistence. The legacy of empathy. In the hidden world, Hiccup lets the dragons go to keep them safe. From outcast to legend, his story proves true strength lies in understanding, sacrifice, and empathy.